In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change your Facebook name. This can be important for personal identity, professional reasons, or privacy. It allows you to align your online presence with your real or preferred name, making it easier for friends and acquaintances to find you. To do this, simply head to your Facebook. On the Menus page, scroll down onto the option of Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. You will want to head to Accounts Center. You will then tap on Profiles. Select your Facebook account. Head to Name. Enter your first, middle, and last name. Tap on Done to save changes. Refresh by closing the Facebook tab. Your Facebook username will get changed successfully. Well, that's how easy it is to change your name on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.